I have a notification. Oh, it's Windows 10, the famous invisible notification. Great. Just what I wanted. Hey, welcome guys. In this video, I am going to fix your issue with Windows 10 no notification problem. And so you may having this problem after updating Windows 10 to the build 1809 October 2018 update. And whatever it is, it may be a bug or a glitch. I'm going to fix it in this video. So don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share this video, and let's get to it. So open your Windows 10 settings, and from there click on the privacy tab right there, and in the left panel of privacy tab scroll down to the bottom and find the option background apps. And keep in mind that the position of background apps may vary from my Windows 10 to your Windows 10, because you may have different build of Windows 10, so you may find it a little lower than mine. So find it and click on it, and in the right panel of background apps you will find the option let apps run in the background. So if this is turned off in your device, you need to turn it on, and if this is already turned on, you need to turn it off and on again. And below this you will find different apps which notification you can turn off on from here. So from here choose the app notification you want by turning this slider on off, and you can turn them all on if you want, and that's the all you need to fix the no notification issue in Windows 10. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video, and don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share this video. Goodbye.